If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.
Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are solving previous year JEE Main questions on method of differentiation. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 4, 5 and then 6. Okay, then let's try to solve these three questions. Now if we come to question number 4, if y is an implicit function of x defined by this, then y dash 1 is equal to, okay. So it is implicit function power to the power. So generally what we do in case of implicit function, we directly differentiate it, and if it is goes implicit means it is a mix of x and y, and when it is function to on the top of another function, generally we take log, but here it is not possible to take log because log a minus b, there is no formula. So you have to do it, differentiate it directly. X to the power 2x minus 2x to the power x cot y minus 1 is equal to 0. So you have to find y dash 1. Y dash 1 means when x is equal to 1, then you have to find y dash. So first you calculate when y is equal to 1, what is the value of y. Y dash you will calculate at x equal to 1, but because it is implicit in the differentiation of dy dx also there will be y. So at the end when you will put x equal to 1, you have to put the value of y also. So when x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, let me calculate what is the value of 1. So 1 to the power 2 minus 2 of 1 to the power 1 cot y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 word get cancelled. So what you left with, you will get y is equal to, which cot is 0, cot pi by 2. So y is equal to pi by 2. So you have to find dy dx at x comma x is 1 and y is pi by 2. So x is equal to 1 and y is 0, because it at the end in dy dx, because of implicit function, you will get x and y both. So now you differentiate this one. So when you start differentiating of this one, you have to take one by one, because this you cannot directly differentiate it. What value you will put? You can put a to the power x, you can put x to the power n, you don't know what should put you put. So you take u is equal to x to the power 2x, then you take log u, because for this power to the power we have to use log. So you will put this value at the end. So we are doing this one, so it will be 2x log x. Now you differentiate it. 1 by u du dx is equal to 2x constant, log x differentiation is 1 by x, plus log x constant 2x is 2. So du dx will be equal to x's get cancelled. So you multiply it by u, that is x to the power 2x. It will be 2 plus 2 log x. Similarly, v is equal to, you have to take this one also, x to the power x. So log v is equal to x log x. So 1 by v dv dx is equal to x into 1 by x plus log x constant, differentiation of x is 1. So dv dx is equal to x to the power x 1 plus log x. Here you can take 2 common, 1 plus log x. So you put all these value there. So if you differentiate this one, that is if I have taken this one u and minus, I am writing this one u, this one, and minus 2v cot y minus 1 is equal to 0. So if you do differentiation, then it is du dx minus 2. First if you take cot y constant, then it is dv dx minus 2. If you take v constant, then it is cot differentiation is minus cosec square y minus 0 equal to. So you put this value, du dx is 2x into to the power x 1 plus log x minus 2 cot y, dv dx is x to the power x 1 plus log x minus 2v is equal to x to the power x minus plus cosec square y is equal to 0. And here you have to be careful, du dx du constant, okay. When you are doing this one ddx, you have to do dy dx also, because you are differentiating with respect to x, you are writing for y, so you have to take dy dx. So here multiplied by dy dx. Now you want to find at x equal to 1 and y equal to pi by 2, you put this value x equal to 1. So it will be 2 1 plus log 1 is 0 minus 2 cot y cot pi by 2 is 0. So no need to write all these things, I am writing still. Cot pi once it is 0 0 plus 2 into 1 cosec square pi by 2. Cosec pi by 2 is 1, so cosec square is 1 into dy dx at that point 1 comma pi by 2, which is required, so it is equal to 0. So your dy dx at x equal at 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to 2 divided by minus 2, that is minus 1. So this is your answer, minus 1. That is your option A. Now if you come to question number 5, what is d square x by dy square? So it is not 1 by d square y by d. I have told you first derivative is okay, but second derivative it is never okay. So they are asking you to find this one. So what you can do, First derivative we know dx dy is equal to dy dx to the power minus 1, inverse of this one. So now you have to differentiate it one more time with respect to y. So you differentiate it with respect to y here. dy I am taking because it is x with respect to y. So if you do with respect to y, first you do this power differentiation. X to the power n, so x to the power n minus 1. Then dy of dy dx. So this is minus 1 into dy dx to the power minus 2. Now this differentiation you see, you have to differentiate it with respect to y, but here inside one is with respect to x, so you cannot differentiate it with two. First you are differentiating with respect to y, second you are differentiating with respect to y. It is still now you have not learned this one. This is in partial differentiation when it is a more than one variable function, but it is not the case here. So where you will do, you will do ddx here because it is with the, and outside we will do dx dy. This one we have done because it is a here with respect to x, so you differentiate it with respect to x, and you can think that I have done d dy of this one. Whatever, you forget this one. Suppose this is function, so I don't know what function it is, but I know it is with respect to x, so I will differentiate it with respect to x, then I will multiply this one. So this one will be minus 1 dy dx, and this is d square y by dx square, and this is also dx dy. So dx dy you can write dy dx to the power minus 1. This one I have reversed. So ultimately what you are getting, minus 1 or minus d square y by dx square into dy dx to the power minus 3. So that is your answer. That is your option C. Now if you come to question number 6, if y is equal to this, then dy dx at x equal to 1. So y is equal to what they have given, sec tan inverse at x equal to 1. They are asking you dy dx at x equal to 1. So because they are asking you direct at x equal to 1, you can directly differentiate it. One could take it x equal to tan theta and then change it, but no need. You can directly differentiate it x is equal to dy dx, and then what is the differentiation of sec x? Sec x into tan x. So sec x into tan x, then into differentiation of tan x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Now you put at x equal to 1. Therefore at x equal to 1, so dy dx at x equal to 1. If you put x equal to 1, it will be pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Sec pi by 4 is 1 by, root 2. And this is tan and tan inverse gone. X is equal to 1 you are putting. So it is 1. And it is 1 by 1 plus 1. So it is root 2 by 2. That is 1 by root 2. So this is your option A.
If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.